coming in. In fact, in another disheartening incident in the state of West Bengal, an 11-year-old minor Hindu girl is abducted, brutally raped and then murdered while she was returning back from tuition classes in the Kripakali area under Kultali police station is what we are picking up straight from our sources. The villagers found her lifeless body from the riverbank. Angry villagers, as you can clearly see through the visuals that we are flashing on your screens, these are the angry villagers who attacked the Kultali police station since they refused to take the complaint of this particular heinous crime and death of that minor girl. A reaction coming in over the same story. Let's take a look at that.
देखिए, आज बंगाल में अभी देवी पक्ष चल रहा है और माँ दुर्गा की सब अपेक्षा कर रहे हैं कि माँ दुर्गा की पूजा कुछ दिन बाद से हर पंडाल में शुरू होगी। इस समय जिस तरीके की घटना जयनगर में एक मासूम के साथ जो घृणित घटना घटी, वो दर्शाता है कि ममता बनर्जी का कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है प्रशासन के ऊपर और प्रशासन पूरी तरीके से पॉलिटिकल हो चुकी है। ममता बनर्जी ने मना किया था कि एफआईआर आप मत करिए, पहले आप छानबीन करिए फिर एफआईआर करिए, क्योंकि एनसीआरबी में डेटा जा रहा था कि बंगाल में रेप और मर्डर की घटना बढ़ रही है। इसलिए परिवार के बोलने के बावजूद, गांव वालों के बोलने के बावजूद पुलिस ने एफआईआर दर्ज नहीं की, मिसिंग डायरी नहीं की और इस नाबालिग के साथ जिस तरीके का दुष्कर्म हुआ है ये बहुत ही खतरनाक है। और मुझे लगता है कि इस तरीके से घटना अगर बंगाल में बार बार घट रही है तो ममता बनर्जी की कोई लीगल या मोरल कोई उनको राइट नहीं है अपने पद पर बने रहने का।
Our editor is Kamalika Sen-Gupta is joining us on the broadcast. Kamalika, while we are looking at the state of West Bengal still being at the boil with regards to the women's safety there in the state right now, the angry villagers through the visuals as we can clearly see are alleging that police sort of said that we are not going to cooperate in this particular matter, not going to file a complaint. What's the word that you are picking up from your sources?
Definitely, it's a very shocking incident once again from Bengal, and this time it is from South 24 Pargana, Kultali. And here, 11-year-old girl, she was returning, and then her dead body was found, and there were a couple of bruises in her body. There is this allegation of rape and murder. What we are coming to know that there has been one arrest till now in this case. But definitely, it's a very heinous crime. That too with a minor is raising. Is again, it has shocked the people of this area, and they have set fire to the police outpost there in this area, and they have carried out the police personnel also there. So again, it's a very shocking incident coming up from this region, and the BJP has reacted as the central minister and the state BJP president Shukanta Majumdar has again pointed out that the situation of women in Bengal is not right. This happens in a time when today the doctors have given an ultimatum to the administration that if their demands are not fulfilled, and today night they might go for a hunger strike. So really things are concerning.
Right, Kamalika. Also, I know it's quite unfortunate and extremely disheartening, but could you please walk us through the details with regards to the lifeless body of the poor soul who unfortunately became, the victim of this heinous crime against her?
See, she is a class 4 student. That's what we are coming to know. Under Kultali Thana in Tripakali, Haldapara area. She went to the tuition. She was coming back from her tuition, and from that time she was missing. And then the family could not find her anywhere. And then again, the police was informed. There was the allegation of the locals that the police did not take up the case properly. That's the allegation of the locals. Police searched for this minor. And then they detected one person who was suspicious. He then actually confessed, that's what we are getting it from the sources, that he has done it and that person has been arrested. That's what we are getting. And then they got the dead body from a water body area where there were a couple of bruises in the body. And one person has been arrested in this matter.